Do you need to control access to your establishment based on your guest or employee's health? Did you know that recent studies show over 90% of people with COVID-19 are asymptomatic? Assigning an employee to scan the temperature of people entering your building may be more of an occupational hazard and pose risks for others for the spread of COVID-19 and other contagious threats like the flu. One of the most effective defenses against the spread of COVID-19 is washing hands. The CDC says washing hands saves lives. Meet Sentry Health Kiosk, the only touchless, staffless kiosk that combines temperature checks, mandatory hand sanitizing, and optional face and mask recognition. Sentry Health Kiosk is an ADA-compliant device that performs a scan and presents a message for the user to proceed or wait for instruction. A green light indicates that your temperature is within normal range and you have used hand sanitizer. A red light indicates that you are above an acceptable threshold or you have not sanitized your hands. In this case, the user is politely asked to await further instructions, such as return at a later date, or call a phone number, or initiate a conference call with HR, security, or nurse. Bottom line, if you don't perform the temperature check and the hand sanitizer, you can't proceed. Sentry Health Kiosk can be installed anywhere there's a need to keep people safe. In office buildings, retail centers, manufacturing settings, healthcare facilities, or entertainment arenas and schools. Sentry Health Kiosk can support communication through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, RFID, NFC, and Ethernet. Sentry Health Kiosk is more than a temperature reader or sanitizer. It is a scalable platform that can conduct touchless pre-screen surveys, recognize employees with facial recognition, issue visitor badges with QR codes, and connect to a printer. Using APIs, Sentry can integrate with Timecard, HR, VMS system, and access control systems. Other optional features include Sentry mask detection software. Robust facial recognition software can detect if someone is wearing a mask or not. Sentry optional features can provide occupancy measurement in real time, keeping track of how many people are currently in a space. Access can be restricted to a specified number of occupants, and discounts, coupons, or other rewards can be offered to those waiting. Optional facial recognition can be integrated into your employee or guest recognition system, and visitor badges can be created on a self-service printer. Sentry Health is a breakthrough technology that helps protect your employees, visitors, business partners, and the entire community against health threats. Our patented technology is the only product in the world that makes hand sanitizing mandatory, along with safe body temperature readings in order to access a facility. If you have a small enterprise or a large enterprise, we can help you manage everything with CenturyLink, our cloud-connected back-end management system. Our system that allows you to remotely manage things like facial recognition database, trend reporting, employee versus visitor data, access control, and overall system health. With over 90% of people infected with COVID-19 not running a fever, current solutions that only take temperature are absolutely inadequate at best. And with thermal cameras being so inaccurate and prone to environmental conditions, the best practices must include infrared thermometers and hand sanitizing at a minimum. Contact us for a demonstration. info@centuryhealth.life, 612-308-1921.